What's going on, guys? Today I'm taking you on a little adventure. We are going camping this weekend at Ludington State Park in Michigan, and it is one of my favorite state parks. I've been going there for years, and I love it because there is so much to do, and it is such a big state park, and it literally covers all the bases for what you want to do when you're camping. So anyways, follow along and I'll show you my weekend. Okay guys, we made it to Lake Michigan. This is the state park beach. You can see it goes down there to the river, and we're gonna go for a swim. It's not that cold, like maybe 70 degrees, maybe, I don't know. Alright guys, it wasn't that bad, but it's also warm out and the water's not that cold. So we made it. Okay guys, this is part of the crew. We got my dad, my mom, my cousin Yasa, my filmer Ryan, and more to come. Okay, this is like a little gift shop, and they have changing rooms in the bottom. The parking lot, sand sculpture. Up on the dunes for the sunset. This is the crew. Ben, Miasa, Ryan, Dad, Uncle Jamil, Mom, and Diane. Crew. These are the dunes behind our campsite. We just walked up here straight from the campsite, and it takes you right to the lake. Old folks need breaks. Yay, sunset. Alright guys, so from our campground we can hike to the lighthouse, which is right over there. That's big Sable Lighthouse in Ludington, Michigan. And then this is Lake Michigan, and it's so calm and clear today. The hike from our campground is about 1.5 miles there and 1.5 miles back, so 3 miles total. Not bad at all. You can also bike. It's a little sandy, but it's still super fun. I will show you some of the trail on the way back. Let's go check out the inside of the lighthouse. This is a little shop in the lighthouse, and we're gonna get this ornament of the lighthouse for our ornament travel tree. So big Sable Point lighthouse, big lighthouse, and then just around the corner you can see the light through the trees. I love this lighthouse, it's my favorite. Yeah.
Show 'em what's up, Tori. You didn't make the noise, that's the problem.
Sunset. This way, it's a crew. Some more making. What's going on, guys? Today we're at the inland lake that's in Ludington State Park. It's called Hamlin Lake. You can rent canoes and kayaks here at the main beach house. We're gonna hike the island trail that also connects to the Lost Lake Trail. Super fun. It goes around to a bunch of different islands connected by bridges. They're all back in there, and it's all on Hamlin Lake. Let's go. Headed to the first side.
Wow.
bridge. All right, we're in the island. Water on that side. There's another campground back there you can kind of see. That's the third campground on Hamlin Lake. Island. Some houses on Hamlin Lake. Baby sand dune. Just on a little island, surrounded by water. Going over the bridge. Going up. Man. Going down. Passing in between the next island. This one's a little sketchy. But we here for it. Snake. Moving on, we are back on the mainland part of the trail, but we're kind of up on a sand dune. So we're up high and we're in a really nice wooded part. So kind of cool. Sand dune. Going down. This is the Hamlin Lake campground. A lot of fishermen and women stay here because they can park their boats at the dock and just go out to the lake. So that is the third of 3 campgrounds at Ludington State Park. We're staying in the Pines campground, which is the first campground that you come to when you go into the state park. And it is the sand dune campground. So if we climb over the sand dune in the back of our campsite, we will be at Lake Michigan. So this is the back of our campsite, and you'll see there's a big sand dune. Everyone's eating lunch. And that is my cousin's setup. And this is our setup. My sister has my parents' old pop-up that we stay in. There's my parents' setup in their little trailer. And these are our 3 little sites here. So kind of fun. Bathhouse back there. This is the dam to Hamlin Lake. And we are on the river that leads to Lake Michigan. We're about to kayak all the way to the lake. See you there. Got my kayak going. We're going to the lake. Going under the bridge. Headed to Lake Michigan. Okay, this is the Skyline trail. It's a fun little trail that goes up these stairs and onto a sand dune. Let's do it. Alrighty, last little step. Okay, here's one of the lookouts. The lake is just around the street. You can see dunes for miles. Some actual windmills down there. And here is the official lookout view. Michigan, Ludington's over there. Here's another fun little view from the trail. This trail is really awesome if you come to this park. It's a lot of steps for a little bit, but totally worth it for these views. Okay, so we are just in Ludington, the actual town, and I wanted to show you guys a little drive-by of the public beach here. Okay, here's the public beach. They have like a little shop for some of the giant chair back there. It's getting pretty busy today. It's so nice outside. And here's a little walkway down to the beach and to show the big beach. And this beach is called Stearns Park and Beach. Oh, there's here. There's the other lighthouse. Like I said, I think it's Little Sable, and you can walk out there. So, okay, guys, this is the famous House of Flavors. There it is. Already people out there, and you can see the little benches with the ice cream. This is just the little main strip of Ludington. It's a little bit of the town. There's gas station, barber shops, couple restaurants, just a cute little main strip in the town. So good fun. There you have it, guys. A trip to Ludington State Park with a little bonus of the town of Ludington. Let me know if you guys have any questions. I try to show you my favorite things to do. That park is big and there is so much to do that it's hard to show everything. So if you do have any questions, I have spent many, many years there and can probably answer them. But I hope you enjoyed my video. Like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications for more vlogs. Thank you, everybody. Bye.